Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Larose, local and long-distance movers near me. Most long-distance moves involve a lot of risk, and if you decide to shift your own, you might damage your belongings. That is the way it's always recommended to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers who can shift you from one place to another seamlessly. Further, we are certified and have required training to handle your delicate and heavyweight items. Plus, we have the essential equipment to pack and load, which helps minimize the risk of damage. And we have a good working relationship with the local federal association, so they permit us to complete long-distance moves without further checks. We try to hire professional moving companies when moving locally, as we believe it's easy to shift locally. The shifting process is still the same and requires similar efforts as a long-distance move, which makes it essential to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers and let them assist you throughout your shifting process. Even if you're shifting to a local society, your shifting process may take 1 to 2 days, but if you hire us, we will make sure to provide you with the same-day shift. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Larose moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.